Hey everybody, happy Monday. I thought I would come on and do a quick video. I'll try to make it quick. I belong to a swap group, Creative Crafts by Dina. And for July, she's having a swap. It's an Advent Christmas in July. And I have my box almost ready. I haven't wrapped any of the gifts yet. But I thought I would come on and show a quick video of what I plan on giving my swap partner, Christina. It's not Christina, I'm sorry, it's Kitrina. Kitrina. First, I am giving her one of these loaded envelopes I made last year. I had some leftover tags, so I thought I would make another envelope for her. And I have a separate video on this, so I'm not going to go through this whole envelope with all the tags, but that will be part of the gift. I bought her a little package of Chanel stems. This is a little bag. It's just got a couple of trinkets in it, different got these from Hobby Lobby, and it has some little buckles in there, some more pearl embellishments. I don't know what it's like where you are, but it is hot here. Hot in New England. This is a baked potato bag for the microwave. The idea of the swap was you were to make 25 items. You were to include 25 items. Half of them were supposed to be handmade. So this is one of the handmade items for her. I saw this ribbon at Hobby Lobby. I thought it was so adorable with these Santa Clauses. I have some washi tapes in here. And some rickrack in the red and the white. Now this looks like a hot Christmas mess here. I made a bunch of bows, which are really pretty, but being in the box, they might get crushed, so I thought I would put some straws in between the bows so when something gets pushed on it, it won't crush them. So she's getting the straws in the bows, all in one. Like I say, it does look pretty overload Christmas, but there you have it. I got her some little letter beads. This is an embellishment box I made for her. This is one of those Dollar Tree plastic containers. See if I can get it open here without getting everything all over the place. And I put in some sequin mix. I have some little charms here, the candy canes and miscellaneous silver charms, a little Santa, some pom-poms, some little bows, some eyelash trim in the gold and white. I have some mini clothespins. Over here are some snowflake, I think these were Dollar Tree snowflake embellishments. Over here from AliExpress are those little gingerbread charms. I love these. And I have some of the gold ice skate charms. Here's some little miniature jingle bells. And these are just the little bottle trees. I made her a little purse, and eventually I will be putting some lip balm inside. I haven't got that yet. It's so hot here, it'll probably melt by the time it gets to her. These are some die cuts. I won't take those out, but they're snowflake die cuts. This is the Tim Holtz. I showed these before too in a different video, but they're just a whole bunch of snowflakes I made with the Tim Holtz die. So in this bag are the ones that are already made, and in this one is a whole bunch of die cuts in the white, silver, and gold so she can make her own. This is a card kit. It will make that card. And in this bag are the reindeer and all the card base and everything that she'll need to make a bunch of cards. I have a little mini traveler's notebook for her with a pen. And it has a little bow up top and jingle bells. It's their little gel pen. And I put some sequins in here. And that's just the little notebooks. This little pockets you can put some photos in. And the folder with some cutouts. I just have these little hearts in here I just put in as a little trinket. I got her a couple of stamps from Hobby Lobby and during their sale. I got some silver snowflakes from the Dollar Tree. These, I believe, are Hobby Lobby. Just some foam stickers. I have some silver tinsel. It's another little trinket I'm putting in, a little Santa Claus. This is Post-it notes. Going. This is I got this off of Lyric. I got the idea from Lyric Lover, and this is a recipe book. And this design here, I did this with my Cricut. This is from Little Patterns of Heaven, I believe. This is a little junk journal in a bag. I think this idea was Creative Cafe Girl. I'll try to link her tutorial below. And it's just basically junk journal, music paper, tag. A little ribbon embellishment here. I love making these. These are so much fun, and you sew around the edges. It's a lot of fun. I also have some Dollar Tree stickers for her and some jemmies. And the other thing that I just finished this morning, let me get it for you. Kitrina told me she has a dog named Duchess. Whoops, I'm so sorry. So I made her dog a over-the-collar dog bandana, a scarf, and the collar goes in here, and that's the back. And then what I did also is I made Kitrina a scrunchie to go with her dog's scarf, so they can both be in style. Kitrina has beautiful long brown hair, so I hope she gets use out of this. And that is my box I hope to get off to Kitrina soon. I have to wrap all this up, which I really don't like doing. I hate wrapping things. I just hope I can get everything into this box, and I'm just going to wrap it in tissue paper so it doesn't take up too much bulk. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay cool, everyone, and have a great week. Bye.